What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Richmo back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys for watching the channel. If you're brand new to the channel, do two things. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and also look down below this video and click the subscribe. That way you'll be alert every time I drop a video every single day. But right now, I'm putting another LED lights in my car, but this time I'm not doing it above my head. I'm doing it down below by the feet area. And also, a lot of you guys going to ask me, where I get it at? All you got to do is go to AutoZone. AutoZone have this brand. And you guys can see right here, you can go get it. AutoZone, it gives you like a little, you know, see, this is how it looks when you click the little pressure button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it under the car and show you guys as I'm halfway doing it, and I'm gonna show you the aftermath of it. And yeah, more light. So stick around, let's see how this goes. So basically, I'm gonna open this box and then I'm gonna have to mount it under here or whatever, but you guys gonna see as I do it. And yeah, you can move that. Out the way. Alright, so this is how it looks when I open it. I got my cousin here to help me out. Oh, this shit connected to this? Oh, I'll be oh,
yeah, we gotta
undo that.
So, unplug this. Unplug that. Hold on to those.
Alright.
Keep those little batteries. Unplug this. So that's just the tester.
Oh, okay, got you.
What we're gonna do is the M3 strips, we're gonna peel those off and we're gonna place them in hidden areas where you can see the light,
right? But
you won't be able to see it because it'll be a clean look.
Right.
So the first thing we'll do is I gotta peel this tape off, this adhesive. And it comes pre-adhesive, so we go boom. Now these little prongs right here, these things, you want them to face in because we're gonna be plugging it underneath the console. Right. So the charger is gonna be pretty much underneath there, attached.
Got you.
Just take it, and we're gonna put it under here where you can't really see it.
Yeah.
And then just tape.
Pressure.
Yeah. So now it's a clean look.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't want it to be visible.
Visible, yeah.
So when people get in the car, oh, it's right. No, right. They can see the light.
Right.
So
that shit gonna work.
We'll do that last. So then, this is the second strip. We're gonna hide it on this side.
Damn, what's that oil on the ground? Some oil over here that's slippery. I almost fell earlier.
So, and then there's on this side, there's another piece. If you wanted to add more strips, right, you can always attach more. I think you started with the 8-inch. Yeah. The 8 inches. So now, in the Hondas, they have like a smooth surface underneath here. Mm-hmm. So pretty much if you open this, it wouldn't be affected. The light would still be there, be in the same place. So go ahead. Oh, your phone upside down. Oh no, is it?
It's sideways. You good?
All right, so then we just gonna take it. Bam, right there.
Solid.
So we got that on there. All right, so now we got the outlet. We're gonna use as much wire as we possibly need, and then we can bandage it back up together with the strings.
You know what? Matter of fact, I got more cohesive. We can use that.
We can take the wire down. So first thing I gotta do is unplug this. Sorry. Yeah. You have another one?
I got another charger right here. I can just put in my USB port. Actually better.
Do you have a lighter charger somewhere else?
No, I don't need it. I can still charge at this USB.
So now we're just gonna go here with this one. Yep. Here, mine's is in. It's attached. And we are good on my side.
Mine's is in too.
You've made sure that the holes, they're plugged in all the holes?
Yep, they all in.
All right, so now we'll take some more of that adhesive tape that you got. You got the scissors.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and tie down. Tape it back here.
Oh shit, I almost broke my neck.
Smash that under there. Take this one. You got those scissors? Or no, I just need a key. What I'm gonna do, if you come over here, you can look. I'm gonna push this wire up in the crest. So, like in this crevice. So in that way, that's stuck there. And then I'll put some more,
oh yeah,
some more M4. I mean, M3 intake.
M3.
So yeah, same. So we'll get. I need like a. I'll probably get a knife and like poke that in there more.
I got a I just had it. Here.
Perfect. So then we just force it in. Stay in place. That's not going. It's not sticking. All right. So I'll get some more tape and make sure that shit sticks. Is this double-sided? If I peel off that red, it's gonna be sticky on the other side. So I don't want to peel off the red then. So we're gonna go. Let's put that right there, and that'll hold that in place.
So, yeah.
So now you do your side.
Damn, some grease on the goddamn car. Matter of fact, I can put it all the way back. Oh shit, I can put it back here. Oh shit. This is some grease right, you gonna slip.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get in here.
Let me see, I'm gonna go around. Oh shit.
So if you look, I'm just trying to get it in this, between the console, peel the console back. In fact, yeah, let's do that. Might be able to hide all your wire in the console, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Which would give it a better look. Cause you got these, see that?
Yeah.
Go ahead, plug him in. So now, let's see. Got your keys.
There you go.
Shit.
You turn it on right here. Click it.
There you go.
This one not coming on. So this light is on, and the other side is tweaked on.
We'll get it fixed on this side too.
But yeah, see. So now when I shut the door, when the doors is shut, no light is in here, it will be much clearer. And like I said, you can go buy this at AutoZone. They sell it, and here it's like this one I got 8 inches, about like $19.99. So you're gonna be spending like $21, $22. I don't know how your taxes are, but yeah, it's awesome. Ain't nothing too big, just something nice. Just because when y'all see the last video, I already did the tops. And I'm never gonna drive them bitches on too, so it doesn't really matter. But it's awesome though, just to give it some type of light. Cause everybody, when you have these Honda Civics, they have no fucking light. It's pure dark black in here. You can't see shit at nighttime, so it's good to have some type of light.
I'll just turn it off.
Yeah, you good.
This one is gonna work. We got action. Right. Just gotta work with it, BB.
So that one works. And come over here. Alright. The flash, look at this shit in the daytime. Woo! The flash is thumbs up. Look at this car, man. And the crazy thing is, you guys, I've done damn near everything on this car I did by my hand. Usually when I had my Mustang, I had people I paid for service and all that crap. This time with this car, most of the shit I'm gonna try my best just to work on it and try to get it done, just because it means so much more when you put your own hands to it. But it's crazy though. Check out the interior, you guys. See the stripes that I keep showing you guys. You guys can definitely do this. Make sure you watch the last video I posted. You can go buy that vinyl wrap at Michael's for cheap. But like I said, I don't recommend using that vinyl for the outside of your car. You actually spend the money, because the outside of my wraps, as you see, I got the chrome silver, I got this I got the gloss black and gloss yellow. All that is very expensive, so don't put that cheap shit on your car, because it will not look right and it won't last. So make sure if you use that, use it for the interior only. Over here, alright, that shit's looking nice.
Let's see if we can get this hidden. Yeah, we'll put it inside this piece. Give me that twisty tie shit.
The twisty,
The little black twisty tie.
oh shit, where did I put it? Oh, here we go.
There we go.
Yee. Yep. And if you guys see the other sides, they got the 8-inch, they got the 12-inch, they got the 24-inch. Honestly, the 8-inch is perfect. It's small, but it's perfect for under the Civics. So, as you can see, I mean, if you want to go big body, then you can try it, but just, I feel like this is just perfect enough.
Alright, there you go.
Bam, it's in, and the wires are hitting like a pro. Perfect.
The only way it would get better is if we hardwired it to the electrical system. But, you know, for a cool little switch where you can turn it on and off.
So, the aftermath, I'm loving the Flash, man. If you look at my car, it doesn't do no justice, but it's super red all in my car, down by my feet area where I saw the lights at, on the passenger side, everywhere in the car. And everything that's red in my car is basically more vibrant because of the red lighting. So I got the light here, and I got the light there, and then I have the light in the trunk. So everything is just super red, and on the camera it does no justice, but this whole car is blazing fucking red, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm driving in the car. You guys can barely see me, but I'm red as fuck right now. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video and just being supportive through everything. This journey has been amazing. It's only getting stronger. It's only getting better. And man, it's crazy. We're almost at 1.1K. But the next goal, the next milestone is 10,000 subscribers. So once we reach 10,000 subscribers, it's only popping from here. We just got to keep grinding, keep going. But yeah, it's fucking awesome, y'all. The lights are fucking red. It's red everywhere. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so like you guys see how I did it earlier with my older cousin with the lights for the bottom. You could go to AutoZone. They range from $19.99 and up, depending on how big you want. But for a Civic, if you got a hatchback Civic or a Civic SI, I think the best bet is just to get a 8-inch. That's my preference, but everybody got their own way. So yeah, but I hope you guys have a blessed one. Thank you guys for watching. More videos coming.